welcome to Rhonda Said. I'm Rhonda. I love saying things, and I'm so glad that you're here today. Please like, comment, and subscribe. And today we're going to take a look at a palette that I haven't used in a while. And in fact, I'm going to grab it from right over here. It's the Norvina Pro Volume 1. It's been a minute since I used this bad boy. Or is it a bad girl? Why does she have to be bad? Why can't she just be sassy? We all like a little sassiness, and so I feel like doing kind of a sassy look. And this is such a bright, bold palette. Let's see what I decide to do today. So pretty, and you can tell I've had my fingers in it, but not that much. I'm going to start with this is B3, this kind of bubblegum pink in my crease. I forgot how pigmented this was. Well, this is definitely setting a tone. Maybe I shouldn't have gone with this. I got a little pimple right there. Just a little pimple. It looks like I'm a crazy person so far. Let's get a new color swatch pad. Oh, I just dropped a bunch of stuff. Oh well. I just use the liners from Ipsy and BoxyCharm boxes and put them in my color switch pan, and that way I get the colors off of the brush. And it's cheaper than buying a new one every time the pad wears out. The Ruby, come here, Ruby. You're crying a lot. Oh, she just loves to be held. And she loves to be on camera. Hi, Ruby. Such a good girl. She likes the lights. She likes the action. She says, Mama, what is on your face? She's looking at herself in the mirror from the palette, which is crazy. She's such a good girl. You're a good girl, Ruby. I'm gonna put you down now. She just loves to be around Mama. That's me, I'm the mama. I'm going to go into A1 here to go under the brow. And that is a shimmery lilac lavender. I'm just going hog wild today. I know, little girl, it's such a pretty look. Thanks for agreeing with me. She makes the best noises. She's just running around the beauty room playing in the closet, which is not my favorite thing for her, but it's what's happening because I forgot to close the closet door. So sue me. She has fun in the closet. There's nothing in there that can hurt her, but she might hurt some things with her tiny little baby claws. But that's the risk you have of having kittens. I have a friend from Michigan. She was from the Upper Peninsula, and she would say kitten, mitten, bitten, and it was the cutest. I think she's naturalized to Kentucky now, and she doesn't say that anymore, but she used to say that. I'm going to go in with, D2, this shimmery purpley blue color. And take some of the punch out of that pink. Punch out of the pink. It's super pretty, and it's got like a shift, like a pink shift to it. She's found something to bat around. That's pretty much all a kitten wants to do, is find something to bat around that makes good noises. Why am I telling you? You probably already know what kittens like. But I can't help it. It's what's on my mind. And I talk about what's going on. It looks like some kind of a sharpener. Like a pencil sharpener? I don't know. She's not going to hurt herself. She's got it behind the door. Oh my God. I'm going to take E1 here, this kind of goldish apricot color, and I'm going to put it on my lid. Oh wow, this is so pretty. Oh my God, that's beautiful. It's been too long since I played with this palette. For $60, I should be playing with it a lot more often. But I have so many palettes. But that's super pretty. Ooh, I'm loving that. Let me get the blending brush out. I see myself in the camera, in this mirror, and then on this mirror. It's a lot of Rhonda to see all at once. I'm telling you. That's a lot of me at once. I'm just gonna use this little fluffy brush to blend and soften up. I didn't plan this look, but it's worked out really pretty. I'm super excited about it. And now I'm going to put some eyeliner on. I'm gonna close this palette so I can see a little less of myself. Once again, the Norvina Pro Palette 1. I have 1 and 4. They are my favorites. So there. And I'm going to take this tattoo liner, little thing I got in my Ipsy glam bag from KVD. I used to be against it when Kat Von D was involved, but this is a great liner. And this is just a little travel size. It pretty much made my bag for Ipsy Glam Bag worthwhile this month. I'm going to take some Marc Jacobs mascara and sample. Let me tilt this mirror. And this is such a nice dark black mascara. And it makes my lashes long and full. It looks so good. I forgot to put highlighter on. What am I thinking? What kind of she-devil am I? No highlighter. That looks so pretty. Ooh, I'm so tickled. I'm so glad I just reached over and grabbed it. I had another palette in front of me, but I was like, just gonna reach over and grab a different palette. And that's what I did. So let's do the Fluff and Fill and Taupe for my brows. This cat is just jumping all around, pouncing on things. Mostly the air. She's pouncing on the air. And I need to put a real sweet lip color on. But what am I going to do for highlighter? I will do Ice Cold from Jeffree Star. I know he's like drama, whatever. But I'm not going to stop using his products just because he's a dumbass. I've got a lot of things. I'm not going to stop using it. stuff that I already own. That looks wicked. Wicked sharp. Looks wicked sharp, it does. So cute. I'm going to use, I'm going to use Calabasas, which is a great pink. It goes with tons of stuff. Once again, Jeffree Star. Made a mistake on my lip there. There we go, much better. And this is the look with the ABH Norvina Pro Palette 1. I hope you have a great day or day of your choice. We'll see you real soon. Bye.